What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
How do you start your day?
I start my day by brushing my teeth and taking a shower.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I have breakfast every morning.
What is your favorite breakfast?
I love having cereal with milk and some fruit.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me about 30 minutes to get ready.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What type of exercise do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy running and lifting weights.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading books in my free time.
How often do you read?
I try to read for at least 30 minutes every day.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee.
Do you watch TV or movies regularly?
Yes, I watch TV shows in the evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
I really like Game of Thrones.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I like to listen to music and relax.
Do you have any bad habits you want to change?
Yes, I want to quit biting my nails.
How do you plan your day?
I usually make a to-do list in the morning.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 p.m.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Unfortunately, yes. I check my social media.
What's the first thing you do when you come home from school?
I usually have a snack and do my homework.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean my room every weekend.
What's your favorite chore at home?
I like cooking dinner for my family.
Do you like to try new foods?
Yes, I love trying new cuisines.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I really enjoy Italian food.
How do you manage your time during the day?
I use a planner to keep track of my tasks.
Do you take breaks during your study sessions?
Yes, I take short breaks to stay focused.
How often do you meet up with your friends?
I hang out with my friends on weekends.
What do you usually do when you are with friends?
We often go to the movies or play sports.
Do you have any pets at home?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
How do you take care of your pet?
I feed him, play with him, and take him for walks.
Are you involved in any school clubs or activities?
Yes, I'm part of the school drama club.
What's your role in the drama club?
I usually help with set design and props.
Do you set goals for yourself?
Yes, I set both short-term and long-term goals.
Can you give an example of a short-term goal?
My short-term goal is to get an A on my next math test.
And the long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to become a doctor.
How do you stay organized with your schoolwork?
I use color-coded folders and a planner.
Do you have any dietary restrictions?
Yes, I'm a vegetarian.
Why did you choose to be a vegetarian?
I want to reduce my carbon footprint.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea, especially green tea.
How many cups of tea do you have in a day?
I usually have 2 cups of tea.
Do you meditate or practice mindfulness?
Yes, I meditate for a few minutes each day.
How do you handle stress?
I take deep breaths and go for a walk.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a morning person.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love spring because of the blooming flowers.
Do you volunteer or do any community service?
Yes, I volunteer at a local animal shelter.
How often do you visit the animal shelter?
I go there once a week to help out.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like experimenting with new recipes.
What's the most challenging dish you've cooked?
I tried making sushi once, and it was quite challenging.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
How do you get along with your sibling?
We have our disagreements, but we also have a lot of fun together.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really enjoy history class.
How do you prepare for exams?
I review my notes and make flashcards.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Yes, I find instrumental music helps me focus.
How do you keep your room organized?
I have shelves and bins for everything.
Do you have any artistic hobbies?
I like painting and drawing in my free time.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop and rock music.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How often do you practice the guitar?
I practice for about an hour every day.
Do you have any favorite quotes or sayings?
Live and let live is one of my favorites.
How do you stay motivated to achieve your goals?
I remind myself of the reasons why I set those goals.
Do you have a role model?
Yes, my role model is my grandmother.
What do you admire most about your grandmother?
Her kindness and wisdom inspire me.
Are you learning any new languages?
Yes, I'm learning Spanish.
How do you practice speaking Spanish?
I have a language exchange partner.
What's your favorite word in Spanish?
I like the word sonrisa, which means smile.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time by the sea.
What's your favorite beach activity?
I enjoy building sandcastles.
How often do you check your email?
I check my email several times a week.
Are you good at managing your finances?
I'm working on it. I try to budget my expenses.
Do you have any savings goals?
Yes, I want to save for a trip abroad.
Have you traveled abroad before?
No, this will be my first international trip.
Do you have any travel destinations in mind?
I would love to visit Japan.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy sunny and warm days.
How often do you go for a walk in nature?
I try to go hiking once a month.
Do you practice any form of self-care?
Yes, I practice self-care by taking bubble baths.
What's your favorite type of book genre?
I enjoy reading mystery novels.
Do you have a favorite mystery author?
Agatha Christie is my favorite.
How do you stay connected with your family when you are away?
I video call them regularly.
Do you have a favorite movie genre?
I like science fiction movies.
What's the last science fiction movie you watched?
I watched Interstellar recently.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I have a small vegetable garden.
What vegetables do you grow?
I grow tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers.
Do you have a favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy yoga for relaxation.
How do you stay hydrated throughout the day?
I carry a reusable water bottle with me.
Are you interested in current events and news?
Yes, I like to stay informed about what's happening in the world.
How do you stay updated on current events?
I read the news online and watch the evening news on TV.
Do you have any favorite TV news anchors?
I like Anderson Cooper and Rachel Maddow.
Do you have a favorite historical figure?
I admire Nelson Mandela for his resilience.
What's your favorite way to relax on weekends?
I enjoy going to the spa for a massage.
Do you have any career aspirations?
I want to become a teacher like you.
That's wonderful. What subject would you like to teach?
I would like to teach history or English.
How do you handle peer pressure?
I try to stay true to my values and say no when necessary.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I have a sweet tooth, so I love chocolate cake.
How often do you indulge in dessert?
I treat myself to dessert once or twice a week.
Do you have any favorite quotes from books or movies?
May the Force be with you from Star Wars is a classic.
Do you enjoy stargazing?
Yes, I love looking at the night sky.
How do you stay organized with your school assignments?
I use a digital calendar to keep track of deadlines.
Are you good at managing your time?
I'm still learning, but I try to prioritize tasks.
What's your favorite holiday of the year?
I love Christmas because of the festive atmosphere.
How do you celebrate Christmas?
We decorate the tree and exchange gifts.
Do you have any travel plans for the future?
I hope to visit Europe someday.
What is one piece of advice you would give to someone trying to establish good daily habits?
Start small, be consistent, and never give up on your goals.